Hey guys, it's me, Rock Girls 578, and I'm back. Well, I don't know yet. I'm kind of upset because I might need to end LPS Middle School due to my new camera because it's not gonna work. I just know it. It will just crash. So, well, I'm saying I might. So I'm just saying I'm back and I might continue it. And I want to say thank you to my friend for giving me her LPS. Here's a phone, well, kind of sneak peek of it. And that's going to be Abby for LPS Middle School if I continue it, because I lost Abby, the pink rabbit. So she's going to be replacing her. And I'm going to give you some heads up of what will happen in LPS Middle School. Okay, here it is. If you don't want to listen, just turn down the audio, and I will just put an animation saying you can put up the audio now. Okay, so here it is. So Abby escapes from her first class on her first day to get a makeover for Mohawk, and Thumper likes Mohawk, and Abby's trying to steal him from her, and Casey notices what she's trying to do, so she decides that she wants to gossip about it, so she tells her gang, and something surprising happens. So I don't want to tell you all of it because I want you to be surprised and like it, and I don't want to ruin it for you guys because I know you guys like it from all the comments, and thank you for the comments, and thank you for subscribing and adding me as friends. Alright, so bye guys. Hopefully I will continue. Alright, bye.